In a recent interview with Yahoo Finance, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang praised Tesla's advancements in self-driving technology. He highlighted that Tesla leads the field, but envisioned a future where all cars will possess autonomous capabilities. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, has been aggressively promoting Tesla's full self-driving FSD technology, which has faced safety concerns and was rebranded to FSD, Supervised, following its beta launch in 2020. Despite these challenges, about 400,000 Tesla vehicles in the US are equipped with FSD. Huang's endorsement comes as Tesla shareholders prepare for a vote in June to potentially reinstate Musk's substantial $57 billion pay package, which was previously nullified by a Delaware court. Meanwhile, Nvidia's AI chips, particularly the Blackwell chips, are seeing high demand from major tech companies like Google, Meta, and OpenAI. Musk has indicated that Tesla will significantly invest in Nvidia's AI technology, with plans to spend over $500 million on these chips in 2024, emphasizing the high financial stakes in remaining competitive in the AI sector. Let us know what you think in the comment area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and share. Thanks for watching.